Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting Spanish idiom. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to download amazing flashcards. And for now we have 3 sets, but there's more coming, so stay tuned. You can download these on my Etsy shop and also on smlessons.com. All the links are down below. You can also get a membership on this channel. All the perks are here. That helps create new Spanish lessons and supports this channel in general. You can get a membership. You just need to click on the join button down below. Okay, let's get started. The Spanish idiom of the day is rumbo a, rumbo a, rumbo a. Yes, you have to roll your tongue to pronounce this idiom. Do you know the meaning of this idiom? This idiom means in the direction of, towards, or on someone's way to. So if you are going literally on your way to some place, you can use this. You can also use this idiom if you want to describe that something or someone is going in the direction of some place or some area. Also towards, if someone is approaching you or if you're approaching someone, or two objects are approaching to each other. Rumbo a literally means course to. So, orientation, direction. Now let's see a few examples using this idiom. Voy rumbo a mi trabajo. Voy rumbo a mi trabajo. I'm on my way to work. So that's very easy. If you're on your way to work, you can use this idiom. Voy rumbo a mi trabajo. You could also say voy a mi trabajo, and that works also fine. But Spanish speakers also use idioms. So, voy rumbo a mi trabajo. It's like you're double saying that you're going somewhere, But that's interesting. That's very interesting. Rumbo a, on my way to. You can change this last word. You can say voy rumbo a mi casa. I'm on my way home, for example. You could also say voy rumbo a la escuela, right? So that means, I'm just gonna remove that. That means I'm on my way to school, right? So it's very, very interesting that you can use rumbo in this way. Voy rumbo a la escuela. I'm on my way to school. Okay, now let's see another example. El negocio va rumbo al éxito. El negocio va rumbo al éxito. This means the business is headed for success. We can see here that the meaning of rumbo a changed a little bit, but we're still talking about direction. Where is something going? It can be intangible and also tangible. Okay, we're talking about a business that the direction where it's going is success. Success is something intangible, okay? So remember that you can use rumbo a to describe that something is going to a specific place like school, work, home, or we can also talk about something intangible. A business is headed for success, failure, and so on. In this situation, rumbo a is similar to headed, okay? Headed for, the direction of something. It's going somewhere, right? El negocio va rumbo al éxito. The business is headed for success. When something is going well or not too well, you can use rumbo a. We can see here that we're using al instead of a. And do you know why we are doing this? When you have a and you have the definite article el, which is also masculine, a, el, éxito. In this situation, we can see here specifically, éxito is masculine. When you have the Spanish preposition a and then right after el, what you need to do is you kind of need to fuse the two words, and you have to remove el, and then you have to add the letter L or L. So it becomes al. Okay, that's very, very important to remember. If you have a el in a sentence, you have to fuse them together and they become al. Okay, el negocio va rumbo al éxito. That's how Spanish works. So remember that. Al means a el, but the two words got together and they became al. Okay, the business is headed for success. El negocio va rumbo al éxito. Now let's see another example. Oops. El autobús va rumbo a mi casa. El autobús va rumbo a mi casa. El autobús, the bus, va rumbo a, is on its way to mi casa, my house. Something really interesting is this word here, this word here, this word here, and this word here, va. Voy, va. That is the Spanish verb or the conjugated Spanish verb ir, which means to go. So that's very important to remember because usually when you use the Spanish idiom rumbo a, you have to use the Spanish verb ir before the idiom. Ir rumbo a. Voy rumbo a. Va rumbo a. Va rumbo a. Okay, so remember that usually the Spanish verb ir goes before the idiom, usually. Okay, and you need to know the conjugation of the Spanish verb ir, which means to go in Spanish. Let's see a few more examples using this idiom. El tornado va rumbo a la ciudad. El tornado va rumbo a la ciudad. The tornado is going towards the city. We're talking about direction once again. Rumbo a, towards. The tornado is moving towards the city. So watch out, be careful, right? So if you want to talk about some natural disaster approaching, you can use rumbo a. Let's see, one more example. Actually, let's see two more examples. Los animales fueron rumbo a las personas. Los animales fueron rumbo a las personas. The animals went towards the people. So watch out again. We're talking about dangerous situations. Rumbo a, towards. Yeah, so we can see that animals are probably gonna attack these people. So if you see something like that, you can use rumbo a as well. Okay, let's see one last example. Este avión fue rumbo a Hawái. Este avión fue rumbo a Hawái. And this means this plane was in the direction of Hawaii. Okay, so maybe this is not a common thing to say, but rumbo a in this situation means in the direction of, literally in the direction of. Este avión fue rumbo a Hawaii. This plane was in the direction of Hawaii. Probably you can hear this from the news or something like that. And it's very interesting that we're talking once again about direction. So let's not forget that. And here we can see rumbo a means in the direction of Hawaii. Okay, that is all for today. As we can see, rumbo a is pretty much about directions, specifically direction, moving in the direction of, towards, on someone's way to as well. So let's remember this Spanish idiom. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to purchase some flashcards. By purchasing one of these sets, you're helping this channel a lot and you're learning Spanish in the process as well. Two important things. You can also get a membership on this channel. All the perks are right here. There are different perks when getting one, and they're all very good. You can get a membership by clicking on the join button down below. And another way to support this channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. And also you can donate through PayPal. I'm leaving all the links to that in the video description down below. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.